6 million years ago, primate ancestors occupied varied environments. This module introduces the evolutionary context of early primates. Understanding primate evolution is essential for comprehending the transition to bipedalism. Environmental diversity played a crucial role in shaping primate adaptations. The study of primate ancestry provides insights into human origins and development. Environmental shifts from dense forests to open savannas influenced early hominid evolution. Changing environments created new selective pressures for early hominids. Forest environments provided resources like fruits and shelter, favoring arboreal adaptations. Savanna environments favored bipedalism for long-distance travel and predator detection. The transition from forest to savanna led to dietary changes and the development of new foraging strategies. These environmental pressures drove the evolution of intelligence and social complexity in early hominids. The pelvis has undergone significant adaptations to support an upright posture in hominids. Quadrupedal primates possess a longer, narrower pelvis compared to the broader, shorter pelvis of early hominids. Changes in pelvic structure facilitate bipedal locomotion and support the weight of the upper body. Comparative analysis reveals key differences in iliac blade orientation and sacral articulation between primates and hominids. The human spine has evolved in shaped curvature. This curvature enhances balance and stability during bipedal locomotion. The S-curve acts as a natural shock absorber, reducing impact on the body. The spinal curvature aids in distributing weight and maintaining an upright posture. Without the S-curve, the spine would be more susceptible to injury from everyday activities. The shaped spine is a key adaptation for efficient and comfortable bipedal movement. The human foot has evolved from a grasping appendage to a primarily weight-bearing structure. A key adaptation is the development of the longitudinal arch, which provides support and flexibility during locomotion. The alignment of the toes in humans facilitates efficient weight distribution and balance during standing and walking. These skeletal adaptations enable bipedalism and efficient locomotion on diverse terrains. Leg muscles are adapted for efficient bipedal movement. The gluteus maximus plays a key role in upright walking and posture. Other leg muscles contribute to stability, balance, and propulsion during bipedal motion. Efficient bipedal movement relies on coordinated action across multiple leg muscle groups. Back muscles are strengthened to support the upright torso. These muscles play a crucial role in maintaining posture. Back muscles provide stability for the spine and upper body. Muscle strength contributes to overall balance and movement control. Proper muscle function is essential for preventing back pain and injuries. The foramen magnum's forward shift facilitates an upright head position. Repositioning of the foramen magnum is observed in early hominid skulls. Anterior placement of the foramen magnum allows for better balance and bipedal locomotion. The foramen magnum is the large opening in the occipital bone through which the spinal cord connects to the brain. Changes in the foramen magnum's position reflect evolutionary adaptations for upright posture. Bipedalism provides energy efficiency in open environments. Walking upright reduces energy expenditure compared to quadrupedal locomotion. Energy efficiency is a key advantage of bipedalism in open terrains. Bipedal locomotion optimizes energy use for long-distance travel. Standing upright reduces the surface area exposed to direct solar radiation. Bipedalism aids in thermoregulation by minimizing heat gain from the environment. Reduced solar exposure allows for more efficient body temperature regulation in hot climates. The upright posture allows for better airflow around the body, enhancing convective cooling. Minimizing direct sunlight and maximizing airflow contribute to maintaining a stable body temperature. Thermoregulation through bipedalism is an evolutionary adaptation to hot, arid environments. Bipedalism frees the hands, allowing for the manipulation of objects and the use of tools. The availability of hands enhances the capability to carry objects, improving efficiency in various tasks. Tool use, facilitated by freed hands, provides a significant advantage in problem-solving and environmental adaptation. The evolution of bipedalism and tool use has been instrumental in human development and technological advancement. Having hands available for manipulation increases dexterity and precision, leading to improved craftsmanship and innovation. An upright posture enhances predator detection capabilities. Standing tall provides an improved vantage point for identifying potential threats. Increased height allows for earlier detection of predators at a greater distance. Enhanced visual range contributes to increased survival rates in predator-filled environments. Australopithecus species are characterized by bipedal adaptations. Bipedalism in Australopithecus involved significant skeletal modifications for upright walking. Key features include a shorter, broader pelvis and an angled femur. Australopithecus, exemplified by Lucy, represents an early stage in hominid evolution. The adaptations of Australopithecus allowed for efficient locomotion in savanna environments. Fossil footprints provide direct evidence of early bipedal locomotion in hominids. The Laetoli footprints are a significant example of preserved hominid tracks from millions of years ago. Analysis of fossil footprints reveals information about gait, weight, and foot structure of ancient hominids. Fossilized footprints contribute to understanding the evolution of human ancestors and their behavior. Comparative anatomy reveals skeletal differences between chimpanzees and hominids. Hominid skeletons exhibit a more upright posture compared to the chimpanzee's more pronagrade stance. Cranial capacity and facial structure differ significantly between chimpanzees and hominids. Limb proportions and hand structure reflect different modes of locomotion and manipulation. The shift in the center of gravity enhanced balance for bipedal movement. Changes in body structure during evolution altered the location of the center of gravity. Improved balance due to center of gravity changes facilitated more efficient bipedal locomotion. The body's center of gravity is crucial for maintaining stability and preventing falls during movement. The knee joint has evolved to provide enhanced stability during bipedal walking. Anatomical adaptations in the knee support the biomechanics of bipedalism. The evolved structure of the knee allows for efficient weight distribution and shock absorption during locomotion. Increased stability in the knee joint minimizes energy expenditure during walking. The hip joint's evolution facilitated an expanded range of motion. Changes in the hip joint were pivotal for efficient bipedal walking. The acetabulum deepened, providing greater stability during locomotion. Femoral head size and shape adapted to optimize weight bearing and balance. Muscular attachments around the hip joint shifted to enhance stride length and power. These adaptations collectively improved energy efficiency during long-distance travel. Decreased reliance on climbing led to a reduction in arm length over time. Proportional changes in arm length relative to leg length reflect this evolutionary adaptation. Arm length reduction is correlated with increased bipedalism and terrestrial locomotion. Shorter arms provided less leverage for climbing, but improved balance for walking and running. Fossil evidence supports the gradual reduction in arm length across hominin evolution. This adaptation reflects a shift from arboreal to terrestrial environments and lifestyles. The rib cage evolved in shape to support upright posture. This adaptation facilitates improved balance in a bipedal stance. The modified rib cage also optimizes breathing mechanics for upright activity. Changes in rib cage morphology were crucial for both balance and respiratory efficiency in humans. The shoulder joint's mobility allows for a wide range of tool use and other activities. The shoulder joint retains flexibility due to its unique ball and socket structure. Muscles and ligaments surrounding the shoulder joint contribute to its stability and range of motion. The shoulder joint's design prioritizes mobility, allowing for complex arm movements. Maintaining shoulder joint health is crucial for preserving upper body function and preventing injury. The human hand structure is uniquely adapted for precision grip. Evolution has refined the thumb's opposability, enabling precise manipulation. Finger dexterity relies on the intricate coordination of muscles, tendons, and nerves. The precision grip allows for delicate tasks requiring fine motor control. The carpal bones in the wrist provide a stable base for hand movements. The unique structure of the hand facilitates both power and precision. Brain size increased with the development of bipedalism. Upright posture correlates with brain evolution. Bipedalism may have freed the hands, enabling tool use and driving brain development. The correlation between bipedalism and brain size suggests a complex evolutionary relationship. Bipedalism enabled early hominids to access previously unreachable food sources. Standing upright allowed hominids to reach higher fruits and vegetation. Increased reach provided access to new nutritional resources, contributing to dietary changes. The ability to exploit elevated food sources offered a survival advantage. Upright posture may have influenced the evolution of social interactions. Bipedalism could have facilitated cooperative behavior among early humans. The adoption of upright posture potentially altered communication and social structures. This module explores the potential link between bipedalism and cooperative behavior. Climate change significantly influenced the evolutionary trajectory of hominids. Changing climates presented adaptive challenges for early hominid populations. Environmental pressures drove natural selection, favoring traits suited to new conditions. Adaptations such as bipedalism and tool use provided advantages in altered landscapes. Shifting habitats led to dietary changes and increased cognitive demands. Climate-driven environmental changes acted as a catalyst for hominid evolution. Genetic mutations are the fundamental source of variation that drives evolutionary adaptation. Bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs, is a key evolutionary adaptation in human ancestors. Specific genetic mutations influence skeletal structure, muscle development, and neurological control, enabling bipedal locomotion. The development of bipedalism provided evolutionary advantages, such as freeing the hands for tool use and improving long-distance vision. The development of bipedalism freed early hominids' hands, enabling tool use. Early tool use involved simple stone implements for basic tasks. Stone tools were crucial for survival, aiding in hunting, butchering, and processing food. The use of tools represents a significant step in early hominid technological advancement. Bipedalism facilitated hominid migration to new territories. Upright walking allowed hominids to explore new environments more effectively. Bipedalism enabled hominids to colonize diverse geographical areas. The shift to bipedalism was a key adaptation driving hominid expansion. Standing upright enhances vigilance against potential predators. Bipedalism provides an improved view of the surrounding environment. Enhanced visibility allows for earlier detection of threats. Increased vigilance contributes to improved survival rates. Predator avoidance is a key evolutionary advantage of bipedalism. Upright posture facilitates the ability to carry offspring. Carrying offspring provides a significant advantage during travel. The ability to carry infants is enhanced by bipedalism. Bipedal locomotion allows for the simultaneous transport of offspring and utilization of hands. Freed hands enabled early hominids to develop more complex communication through gestures. Hand gestures facilitated enhanced communication among early hominids. Gestural communication provided a foundation for the development of language. The use of gestures allowed for the transmission of knowledge and skills across generations. Social learning enhances skill transmission through increased interaction. Tool use skills are transmitted across generations through social learning. Effective social learning requires observation, imitation, and reinforcement. Complex tool use often involves a sequence of learned behaviors. Cultural transmission of tool use skills leads to cumulative technological advancements. Social learning allows for rapid adaptation to new environments and challenges. Cognitive development is enhanced through increased interaction with the environment. Problem-solving abilities are improved through cognitive development. Bipedalism facilitates increased environmental interaction. Enhanced environmental interaction drive cognitive development. Improved problem-solving abilities are a key outcome of cognitive development. The development of bipedalism contributes to enhanced cognitive functions. Cultural evolution accelerates with new adaptations. Bipedalism is linked to cultural innovation. Bipedalism freed the hands, enabling tool use and development. Tool use facilitated complex social interactions and communication. Enhanced communication fostered the transmission of knowledge and skills across generations. The cycle of adaptation, innovation, and transmission drives cultural evolution. Early hominid activities began to exert influence on the surrounding environment. Hominid impact included alterations to local vegetation and animal habitats. Resource management became a critical factor in hominid survival and environmental change. The landscape reflects the cumulative effects of hominid interaction with their environment. Bipedalism introduced new vulnerabilities alongside its advantages. Upright walking involves trade-offs between speed and stability. Bipedal posture makes the torso more exposed to potential threats. The adoption of bipedalism led to evolutionary trade-offs in skeletal structure and muscle development. Upright posture increases susceptibility to certain diseases. Bipedalism leads to new musculoskeletal problems. The shift to an upright stance altered weight distribution and biomechanics. Musculoskeletal issues associated with bipedalism include back pain, knee problems, and foot disorders. Bipedalism in hominids introduced new anatomical challenges for childbirth. The transition to walking upright altered the shape and size of the birth canal. A narrower birth canal complicates the birthing process. The fetal head size relative to the birth canal opening presents a significant challenge. Evolutionary adaptations, such as changes in fetal head shape, have partially addressed these challenges. Assistance during childbirth became increasingly important for hominids. Increased energy requirements influenced dietary choices in early hominids. Bipedalism significantly altered the nutritional needs of early hominids. Higher energy demands necessitated a shift towards more calorie-dense food sources. The adoption of bipedalism led to increased hunting and foraging ranges. Changes in diet supported brain development and cognitive functions. Dietary adaptations played a crucial role in the evolutionary success of hominids. Cooperation became essential for survival in early hominid groups. Social cooperation played a crucial role in the success and longevity of hominid communities. Cooperative behaviors enhanced resource acquisition and defense against predators. Shared knowledge and collaborative problem-solving improved survival rates. This module emphasizes the importance of social cooperation in early hominid groups. Tool complexity has increased in conjunction with cognitive development over time. Early tools were primarily extensions of human physical capabilities, enhancing strength and reach. The advent of metalworking allowed for the creation of more durable and versatile tools, enabling complex tasks. The Industrial Revolution introduced machine-driven tools, significantly increasing productivity and efficiency. Modern digital tools integrate software and hardware, offering unprecedented levels of precision and control. Hominids began to modify their environment, marking a significant shift in ecological dynamics. Habitat alteration by hominids has had a profound impact on ecosystems. Early modifications included controlled use of fire, influencing vegetation and animal habitats. The development of agriculture led to extensive land clearing and ecosystem conversion. Hominid activities have resulted in both positive and negative consequences for biodiversity. Understanding the long-term effects of hominid activity is crucial for sustainable ecosystem management. Bipedalism significantly shaped the long-term evolutionary trajectory of humans. Upright walking led to anatomical changes, freeing the hands for tool use and manipulation. Bipedalism facilitated enhanced visual surveillance and expanded range of movement. The adoption of bipedalism had lasting impacts on human anatomy, behavior, and cognitive development. Genetic drift is a mechanism of evolution in which allele frequencies of a population change over generations due to chance. This random change in allele frequencies can lead to significant divergence between populations. Genetic variations within hominid populations contributed to the emergence of different hominid species. Founder effect, a type of genetic drift, occurs when a small group of individuals establishes a new population. Bottleneck effect, another form of genetic drift, happens when a population size is drastically reduced, altering the gene pool. Natural selection favors adaptive traits that enhance survival and reproduction. Bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs, is an adaptive trait. Natural selection drove the evolution of bipedalism in early hominids. Bipedalism provided advantages such as improved visibility and freeing the hands for tool use. Over generations, hominids with bipedal adaptations were more successful, leading to its prevalence. Key discoveries have illuminated the path of human evolution. Important fossil finds provide direct evidence of ancestral human forms. Archaeological sites reveal insights into early human behavior and culture. This module highlights important fossil finds and archaeological sites. Ongoing research seeks to answer unresolved questions in human evolution. The current state of research involves exploring various hypotheses and gathering new evidence. Unanswered questions include the precise relationships between different hominid species. Further investigation is needed to fully understand the genetic and environmental factors driving human evolution. Technological advancements are significantly influencing the direction of future research. Technology plays a crucial role in uncovering new insights across diverse scientific disciplines. Advanced tools and methodologies enable researchers to explore previously inaccessible areas of knowledge. Data analysis and computational modeling accelerate the pace of discovery and innovation. The integration of technology enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of research processes. Interdisciplinary approaches are essential for understanding human evolution. Collaboration between disciplines enhances the understanding of complex processes. Effective interdisciplinary research requires diverse perspectives and expertise. Human evolution research benefits from integrating biological, cultural, and environmental data. Shared knowledge and collaborative analysis drive advancements in evolutionary science. Comparative genomics provides genetic insights by analyzing similarities and differences in the genomes of different species. Comparing genomes reveals evolutionary relationships, tracing the lineage and divergence of species over time. Conserved genomic regions across species indicate essential genes and functions crucial for survival. Unique genomic regions in each species contribute to species-specific traits and adaptations. Comparative genomics aids in identifying genes associated with diseases and understanding disease mechanisms. This approach facilitates the discovery of novel drug targets and development of personalized medicine strategies. Paleoanthropology focuses on the study of human evolution through fossil analysis. Fossil analysis involves careful excavation, documentation, and preservation of fossil remains. Comparative anatomy is used to identify and classify fossil specimens by examining skeletal structures. Radiometric dating techniques, such as carbon-14 dating, determine the age of fossils and their geological context. Microscopic analysis reveals detailed information about bone structure, diet, and disease in ancient hominins. 3D modeling and virtual reconstruction allow researchers to create detailed representations of fossil specimens. Archaeology is the study of human history and prehistory by excavating sites and analyzing artifacts. Cultural artifacts provide insights into past human societies, behaviors, and technologies. Tools are essential artifacts that reveal technological advancements and daily life activities of past civilizations. Analysis of artifacts involves scientific dating methods and contextual interpretation to understand their historical significance. The study of artifacts helps reconstruct past environments, social structures, and belief systems. Primatology is the scientific study of primates, encompassing their behavior, evolution, and genetics. Observing primate behavior provides insights into the evolutionary origins of human social structures and cognitive abilities. Primate studies contribute to understanding the biological and environmental factors that influence behavior. Research in primatology helps to conserve endangered primate species and their habitats. Behavioral studies in primatology often involve long-term observation and data collection in natural settings. Primate behavior can be analyzed using various methods, including ethograms, video analysis, and genetic testing. Geology employs various dating techniques to determine the age of fossils and artifacts. Radiometric dating measures the decay of radioactive isotopes to estimate the absolute age of a sample. Carbon-14 dating is effective for organic materials up to approximately 50 years old. Stratigraphy uses the layering of rocks to determine the relative age of geological materials. Index fossils, found in multiple locations, help correlate rock layers and establish a relative timeline. Climatology reconstructs past environment using various data sources. Climate data provides insights into evolutionary pressures on species. Reconstructed climate models reveal long-term environmental changes. Analysis of ice cores provides valuable historical climate information. Paleobotanical data helps reconstruct past vegetation patterns and climate conditions. Anatomical studies involve the detailed analysis of skeletal structures. These studies explore various methods to understand skeletal adaptations. Skeletal analysis provides insights into evolutionary history and biomechanics. Methods include comparative osteology, biomechanical modeling, and radiographic imaging. Biomechanics analyzes movement patterns to understand the mechanics of living organisms. Biomechanical studies reveal the efficiency of bipedalism in human locomotion. Efficiency in bipedalism is determined by factors such as gait, posture, and muscle coordination. Analyzing movement patterns through biomechanics enhances our understanding of human performance and injury prevention. Evolutionary biology provides theoretical frameworks for understanding the processes of biological change over time. These frameworks guide the study of how populations evolve through mechanisms such as natural selection, genetic drift, and mutation. Key principles include heritability, variation, and differential reproductive success, which drive evolutionary adaptation. Understanding these theoretical frameworks is essential for interpreting the history of life and predicting future evolutionary trends. Public education initiatives aim to increase understanding of human evolution. Outreach programs are crucial for disseminating knowledge about human evolution to a broader audience. These programs utilize various educational tools to explain complex evolutionary concepts. Effective public education fosters a more informed and scientifically literate society. Museum exhibits visually represent human evolution. Museums serve as educational institutions for the public. Visual representation enhances understanding of complex concepts. Exhibits often include artifacts and replicas to illustrate cultural and technological advancements. Interactive displays engage visitors and promote hands-on learning. Documentaries serve as a medium for conveying the narrative of human evolution. Storytelling is a powerful tool for communicating scientific information effectively. Documentaries use narrative structures to engage audiences and enhance understanding of complex topics. Visual elements in documentaries aid in illustrating abstract concepts and complex processes. The combination of storytelling and visual elements in documentaries fosters a deeper appreciation for scientific knowledge. Scientific publications serve to disseminate research findings to the broader scientific community. Peer-reviewed journals play a crucial role in validating the quality and reliability of published research. The peer review process ensures that published research meets established standards of scientific rigor. Dissemination through publications allows for the widespread sharing and application of new scientific knowledge. Educational resources are fundamental to curriculum development. Schools utilize diverse materials to teach human evolution. Curriculum development is supported by various educational resources. The study of human evolution is integrated into school curricula. Ethical considerations serve as guiding principles in scientific research. Scientific integrity is of paramount importance in maintaining the reliability and validity of research findings. Upholding ethical standards ensures the responsible conduct of scientific investigations. Adherence to ethical guidelines promotes trust and credibility within the scientific community and the broader public. Ethical scientific inquiry minimizes potential harm and maximizes societal benefits. Integrity in scientific research involves honesty, transparency, and accountability in all aspects of the research process. Cultural sensitivity ensures respectful representation of diverse perspectives. Respectful representation involves acknowledging and valuing different cultural backgrounds. Understanding diverse perspectives is crucial for fostering inclusivity and avoiding cultural appropriation. Cultural sensitivity promotes empathy and understanding in cross-cultural interactions. Effective communication requires awareness of cultural nuances and potential misunderstandings. Promoting cultural sensitivity leads to more equitable and inclusive societies. Preservation efforts are crucial for protecting fossil sites and their paleontological resources. Conserving paleontological resources ensures the long-term availability of fossils for scientific study. Fossil protection involves strategies to prevent damage, theft, and destruction of paleontological finds. Effective preservation methods maintain the integrity of fossils, allowing for accurate scientific analysis. Conservation of paleontological resources contributes to our understanding of Earth's history and evolution. Funding agencies support research initiatives across various scientific domains. Research funding plays a crucial role in advancing scientific knowledge and technological innovation. The allocation of funding resources directly impacts the scope and pace of scientific discovery. Effective funding mechanisms are essential for fostering collaboration and accelerating scientific progress. International collaboration is essential for advancing global initiatives. Working together enhances our understanding of complex subjects such as human origins. Shared knowledge and resources accelerate progress in understanding human origins. Global efforts require coordinated strategies and shared goals. Effective international collaboration leads to more comprehensive and accurate insights. Technological innovation is the driving force behind the development of advanced tools. New technologies significantly enhance research capabilities across various scientific disciplines. Advanced tools enable more precise data collection and analysis, accelerating the pace of scientific discovery. The integration of advanced tools facilitates more efficient and collaborative research environments. Data analysis employs statistical methods to interpret and draw conclusions from data. Statistical analysis reveals patterns and trends within evolutionary data sets. Statistical methods provide a quantitative framework for understanding evolutionary processes. Evolutionary data can be analyzed using techniques such as regression, correlation, and variance analysis. The application of statistical methods enhances the accuracy and reliability of evolutionary inferences. Modeling and simulation provide insights into complex systems. Computer models can be used to understand evolutionary processes. Simulations allow for the visualization and analysis of system behavior under different conditions. Insights gained from simulations can inform decision-making and improve system design. Hypothesis testing necessitates a structured experimental design to validate or reject initial assumptions. The scientific method provides a framework for evolutionary research, ensuring rigorous and reproducible results. Experimental design in hypothesis testing involves carefully controlling variables to isolate the effects of specific factors. Evolutionary research utilizes hypothesis testing to explore and understand the mechanisms driving biological change over time. Peer review is a quality control process used to maintain the integrity of scientific publications. The peer review process involves experts evaluating the quality and validity of research before publication. This process helps to ensure that published research meets high standards of accuracy and rigor. Peer review enhances the credibility and reliability of scientific findings. The peer review process helps to identify and correct errors, biases, and inconsistencies in research. Peer review contributes to the advancement of knowledge by ensuring that only high-quality research is disseminated. Bipedalism represents a fundamental shift in hominin evolution. Upright walking provided early hominins with enhanced visual surveillance capabilities. Bipedal locomotion freed the hands for carrying objects and tool use. The transition to bipedalism involved significant anatomical adaptations. Changes in foot structure, including the development of arches, supported bipedal weight distribution. Bipedalism's emergence marks a pivotal adaptation in the trajectory of human evolution. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos.